Hey there, car enthusiasts and YouTube fans. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance SUVs and the upcoming reveal of Volkswagen's Tiguan R, a beastly upgrade to their popular SUV model. This is a car that's set to turn heads and challenge our perceptions of what an SUV can be. Now, I have to say, Volkswagen has been on a roll with their performance SUVs lately, and it's an exciting shift in the automotive world. The Tiguan R is their latest attempt to blend the practicality of an SUV with the thrill of a performance car, and from what we've seen so far, it's shaping up to be a real game-changer. One of the first things that stands out to me is the styling. Volkswagen has given the Tiguan R a sharper, more aggressive look, with larger cooling intakes and a more pronounced rear diffuser. It's a subtle yet effective upgrade that hints at the power lurking beneath the hood. Speaking of power, the Tiguan R is expected to pack a punch. Under the hood, we're likely to find a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine, similar to what's in the Golf R. This engine is no slouch, producing up to 328 horsepower, which is an impressive leap from the standard Tiguan. But Volkswagen isn't stopping there. They're also rumoured to be adding mild hybrid assistance, which will not only improve performance but also help meet those pesky emissions regulations. The drivetrain is another area where the Tiguan R shines. With a dual-clutch automatic transmission and a 4-motion setup with torque vectoring, this SUV is designed to handle like a sports car. Imagine tearing up the roads with all that power and precision. But it's not just about the engine and drivetrain. Volkswagen has also reworked the chassis, giving the Tiguan R a firmer and more responsive adaptive suspension setup. This, combined with larger brakes, ensures that the car can handle the increased pace without any complaints. Now, here's an interesting twist. While Europe is getting the full Tiguan R treatment, North America might not be so lucky. The US market Tiguan, which is related to Europe's Tayron, may only get a slightly less powerful version. It's a shame, as I think American drivers would appreciate the full R experience too. In terms of timing, Volkswagen is playing their cards close to their chest. We know the current Tiguan has a long future ahead, with updates planned for 2028 and 2031, but the R version could arrive much sooner. Europe might see it before the end of the year, but we'll have to wait and see for a global release. So, what do I think about all this? Well, personally, I'm thrilled to see Volkswagen pushing the boundaries of what an SUV can be. The Tiguan R is a perfect example of how performance and practicality can coexist. It's a car that will appeal to those who want the best of both worlds, and I can't wait to see it in action. What do you think, fellow car enthusiasts? Are you excited about the Tiguan R? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep dreaming and driving.